1.96, then it is significant. If you do not if you do not consider the p values, no issue. You got the point? Always talking about the p value, p value, p value. If you consider the t value, if it is more than 1.96, then it is significant. So it is less than 1.96, it is not significant. You can consider either p value or t value or both, no issue. It depends upon your beta value. What is the effect? Okay. So you can present the result based on the t value as well. No issue, brother. Okay. How about the result of moderating effect result? Here the t value, this is significant and this is not significant, and not significant. Okay. Here if you say that if the t value is more than 1.96, it is significant. So if you go here, all the results, so you can give you have some options here, like I am going to show you something. In our model t values, here it is showing the t value. T values is in between compensation package and performance 2.197. So if we consider it t value, path coefficient and t values, okay, beta value and t value it comes. If you want t value and p value, path coefficient and p values, it can be p value and path coefficient and p value. So you can consider only t values, it can be. You can consider only the p values, it can be. From here also you can consider which one is significant or not. They are asking some if you check the group, they are telling, oh, if the p value is 0.000, it cannot be significant, it cannot be 0.00. See our result in the model, it is showing it is significant, 0.000. Brother, what is the issue? This is the p value, p values here, it is significant. If the result comes like this, what is the issue? So the people, what can I say? Okay. Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yes, please.
If we are reporting this figure in a research article, do we have to give a description saying these values represent p value,
yes,
and these
yes,
values
yes,
represent
yes,
beta coefficient?
Okay, I am just answering you with how will you present the result. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if you are presenting this result and collecting it from here, and how what will you write there? Okay, so how will you present your figure? Okay, sister, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, here after doing this, you will write here figure, structural model, structural, structural structural model with path coefficient and p values. Path path coefficient and p values. yes, path coefficient and p values like this. Suppose sister, if you are taking the value of like this, path coefficient and p values, you can write there. You can present anyone. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the clarification.
Okay. Here you will write here t values, and and sorry, and even you cannot. You need not to go for the even the p values here, t values and path coefficient, and even if you simply give the t values here, nobody will ask why you p value not given, because the researcher they know if the t values is more than 1.96, it is significant. So in this case here, job satisfaction and performance, it is this path is not significant, this path is significant, this path is significant, this path is significant, this one is significant, but this is not significant. Okay. This is how we present the result. Now we shall check our mediation effect result. You have to go to the specific indirect effect. There you will find, so I think none of our mediating hypothesis would be significant, because the relationship between here, if you check the relationship between job satisfaction and performance not significant, so the mediation effect will not be there. However, just check the result in Excel, then we can easily consider it. Okay, so okay, now I can okay, sorry, specific indirect bias corrected. See, this is the mediation result. We will present the mediation result now. It is sometimes very difficult which one need to present the result, right? You need only two results, that is welfare facilities, these two. We need compensation package, job satisfaction and performance, and welfare facilities, job satisfaction and performance. But here you see huge number of results is here. So how will you present the result? So just which one is required? Compensation package, this one we need, this result, and welfare facilities, and last is okay, well, this one, this two, and delete all the rows. This is not required because it is coming from the dimension and from other things. You have only two hypotheses related with the mediation, so you need not to present this result. No, is better. SN, SD, LL, UL, P, P, and decision, mediation, Okay, can you tell me, is there any mediation effect is here?
No.
See, the t value is less than 1.96, p value is higher than 0.05, and see LL is negative and UL is positive. That means 0 is in between, or 0 is straddle. So in that case, that's why we can consider not significant of mediation effect. No, not significant. So, and no mediation, because no mediation effect this is. So here mediation is no mediation, कोई mediation effect नहीं है, no mediation. Okay, this is how we present the result. This is the direct effect result, and this is the moderation effect result, and this is the mediation effect result. So
So
yes.
one small clarification.
Yes, please.
So based on this mediation analysis, can we tell that irrespective of the job satisfaction, there is a significant relation between compensation package and performance?
Okay, yes, there is a significant direct effect of compensation package and performance. Compensation package and performance. This one is it is significant. Direct effect is significant. However, we had considered there might be a mediation effect of job satisfaction. However, after collecting data, we have observed that there is no mediation effect of job satisfaction in between compensation package and performance, and even job satisfaction do not have any mediating role in between welfare facilities and performance.
Okay. Yeah,
okay,
thank you.
This is the result. This is how we present the result, and I'm going to send you the result. This will help you to present your thesis, inshallah. This is all about, I have told you, I discussed with you the direct effect, mediation effect, moderation effect, multi-group analysis, and higher order construct. This is all about the analysis that we require for our thesis. If you have any question, you can ask me. This is final. This is all about our session. Alaikum assalam.
Can you just tell me what's the difference between full mediation and partial mediation? Because actually I didn't hear it. I got to break, so I missed this point. The fully and partial mediation.
Full mediation. Yes, Dr. Mansoor, please. Dr. Mansoor, are you going to admit his question? Okay, I am telling you. Brother, actually what happened, partial mediation, full mediation, or no mediation, actually there are three conditions there. If in your model, when you add the mediator, after adding the mediator, if you observe, that there is a direct relationship between, significant direct relationship between IV and DV, and the relationship between the mediation effect of mediator has a significant effect, or that means you have a significant effect of a direct relationship and indirect relationship. When both the relationship, direct and indirect relationship, both are significant, in that case it is called partial mediation, because direct relationship also there, so it cannot be full or it cannot be no mediation, because we got the significant effect of indirect effect. Okay, the p value based on the p value and t value. Now we come to the if we do not find the direct relationship but significant direct relationship, but If we find insignificant, indirect effect is significant, if your direct relationship not significant, in that case it is called full mediation, because it is mediation is full, because there is no significant effect in between IV and DV. But when we add the mediator, the mediator has a significant effect, but in between IV and DV, but through the mediator it has a significant effect, but it doesn't have the direct effect. In that case it is called full mediation. If the mediator, after adding the mediator, the p value is not significant, that in that case we can say there is no mediation. So in our case, if we consider here suppose if our direct effect here, in our direct effect is significant, but our indirect effect here, you can say here our direct effect, compensation package and performance, it is direct effect is significant, but our indirect effect, not compensation package and performance, through mediation, job satisfaction, it is not significant. So only we can say it is it doesn't have any mediation effect. If we get, suppose if we get the result like this one is less than 0.05 and t value is more higher than 1.96, in that case we can say there is a significant effect, then we will consider it partial mediation, because we have the direct effect is significant and indirect effect also significant. That's why we consider it as partial mediation. It cannot be full, because direct effect is remain the significant. You got the point?
Yes, perfect, Doctor. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, if you have any final question, otherwise our workshop is finished. So Alhamdulillah, normally what happened, I take 2-3 hours rest or break, then next day, but Alhamdulillah you people are talent enough, Alhamdulillah. So
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So when direct effect is non-significant and indirect effect is significant, then how?
Then full mediation.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Any other question? Okay, thank you very much. Can I take one picture? If you just open your webcam so that we can keep it as okay.
Prof, when is your next workshop?
Okay, inshallah, coming week, I think Saturday or Sunday, coming week on 6th of August, I think, on SPSS. Then I have the Amos.
I would like to register.
Huh?
I would like to register for that one.
Inshallah, please.
Maybe you drop the link.
Sir, you can take pictures so that I can switch off my cam.
Okay, sister. Okay. Okay, just a minute. I can take a picture. Just a minute. And one more thing.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
Okay, see you, inshallah.
You have really done well for us, sir.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
very
Sir,
much.
also please
Hello,
share
sir.
picture with
Thank
us.
you so much, Dr.
Thank you.
Monroe.
Okay.
Thank
One
you
thing,
so
sister.
Thank you so much.
One thing that need to. If you need, I am your lifetime mentor. If you have any challenges in your data analysis, you can knock me at any time. Anytime, I shall try to solve your issue, inshallah. Sometimes you have
Thank you.
collected data and you have
Sir,
issue, you are
sir,
not
I
getting
visited all of
your
your
desired
workshops.
result, then
Which are
inform
in-
me, inshallah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Dr. Monroe.
Welcome, Sawa.
Yeah.
Hello sir, I have registered for your program, but I'm not getting any updates, sir.
What about which update, brother?
Sir, I have registered for your program, but I'm not getting any update, sir. So please, why don't you for 6th August, the SPSS, why don't you post on all the groups, sir?
Yes, actually, just one day before, I shall send you the email, brother. Just keep patience. One day before, I shall send you
Sir,
the
I
mail.
will text you my mail ID, my name and my WhatsApp number on your WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay, no problem. No issue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye, Vishnu.
Okay. Vishnu,
Thank you so much,
brother.
sir. Please, I don't
Bye.
Brother Vishnu, you are from India? Brother Vishnu?
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks
Okay.
all of you.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
Can you leave now?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
sir,
sir.
for your patience and
Okay, it's okay, inshallah.
and answering our lots of questions and again repeat all those things.
Okay.
You are so kind. Thank you for
Inshallah,
your
inshallah.
kindness.
Okay, I have to perform the salah as well. Jazakallah khair for joining my workshop. Assalamu alaikum.